Hey, what's up, everybody? Once again, my name is DJ, doing what I do, sitting back here on a Monday, chilling. And of course, it's not Monday, but that's my catchphrase, and I'm sticking to it. Want to apologize to you guys. I know I haven't been putting videos out, back to back. I've been busy, man, working through these tough times, getting everything straight, my classes and stuff like that. But I'm here, and I know YouTube is going to punish me because with YouTube, if you don't put a video out like every day, then no one sees your video. So I'm probably talking to nobody right now anyway. But for the people I am talking to, you can say I apologize for not putting, no more content out. But today, what we're going to talk about is the 3 reasons why people join a martial art or self-defense school. All right, 3 reasons why people join a martial arts or self-defense school. All right, cool. Let me get my water. Y'all know how I do. All right, cool. And this is, I know that there are some other reasons why people join martial arts schools or self-defense schools, and I probably put this out on a previous video, but this is kind of an updated, just in case. I know, I put out why men join Krav Maga or self-defense and why women, but this is people in general. 3 reasons why, and what your instructor probably thinks about it. Those instructors probably thinks about it. So, all right, cool. So, I ain't even write down this thing, so I'm gonna be taking notes as I go to make sure I don't repeat myself, because I didn't even write this down. I just said, I'm gonna make a video and make it right now. So the first reason why people join a martial arts or self-defense school is self-defense. Okay, they want to learn self-defense. That's the first reason why people join a self-defense school. I ain't even gonna say the first. The first reason I'm gonna talk about is self-defense. People want to learn how to defend themselves. Okay. Now, by the way, this is not for like MMA sports schools or boxing sports schools or stuff like that. Although people join those because they want to learn to defend themselves as well, but this is not for the competition aspect of martial arts. This is for the what's effective martial arts in day-to-day situations or sudden violent situations. Okay, so self-defense is number 1. People want to be able to defend themselves. That's why people want to have the confidence to be able to defend themselves if they have to. Again, that's why I call my company Confidence During Chaos, CDK, because they want the confidence that it takes to walk down the street and feel safe. Okay, they want to be able to defend themselves. Matter of fact, I get people call me from time to time, and one of the first things they ask me, they say, "Look, is this a fitness school or a self-defense school?" Because a lot of people that call, I won't say a lot, a few people that call, they don't want a fitness school. They don't want a fitness school. They want a self-defense school. Because a lot of times schools that are fitness schools aren't really teaching real self-defense and vice versa. Normally, when they call me and tell me that, I tell them that in order to learn effective self-defense, and I probably said this in the previous video, you have to be in shape. You got to be in shape. I mean, you don't have to be no triathlete, but you do have to be in a certain amount of shape in order to learn it. Like my man Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee say that he doesn't fear the man who knows 500 kicks. He fears the man who does 500 kicks, one kick 500 times. Well, in order to do one kick 500 times, you got to get in some type of shape. You got to get in a certain amount of shape in order to learn it. Okay, and you want every advantage that you have. You want every advantage that you can get over your adversary. So if you're in better shape than them, then you can defend yourself, better. Doesn't mean you can fight just because you're in better shape than them, but it helps, okay? However, that's what I tell people who say they're calling and they want to know that if we teach self-defense or fitness, because they're calling for self-defense, okay? Which brings me to the second The second reason why people get involved in martial arts or self-defense training is fitness. It's fitness. They come because they want to get in shape. And they say, you know what? This seems like a fun way of getting in shape, okay? And so they say, I wanna get in shape. I've tried this, I've tried that, and this seems like a fun way of getting in shape. So they're coming for the fitness element, okay? The fitness, the nutrition. Some of them want to lose weight. Some of them want to become faster, stronger, or whatever. So that's the second reason. Now, I will tell you this. So, because, I keep it real over here in this channel. If you go to a school that it's all about the instructor, and what area the instructor is in. But if you go to a school and that instructor is a hardcore self-defense guy, and you coming to him because all you want is fitness, he don't like that because he want to teach you self-defense. Now he's not going to tell you can't join, and you are going to be able to join, and you will get the fitness element of it. I'm just saying he's not going to spend a lot of time with you as much as he's going to spend with this person that wants to learn self-defense. Okay, he's going to spend more time with the person who wants to learn self-defense, which should be fine with you anyway, because you didn't come for the self-defense. You came for the fitness. So you're going to get the workout and stuff like that. But as far as him like getting into like the detailed stuff and, the nitty gritty of stuff, he's going to spend more time with the self-defense person because that's what, he's into. He's into the self-defense and you're into the fitness, okay? Hopefully your school you join also has some fitness classes and stuff like that. And the instructor in that fitness class, focus everything on the fitness element of it, okay? So that's the second reason. Self-defense, fitness, and the other is just, I think what's the word, camaraderie. People want to be around people, like-minded people. So, a lot of people that we know, I've had people who just moved to town, new to the area, and they're like, this seemed like a great way to meet new people, to meet new friends, again, if an instructor that is big on self-defense or an instructor that is big on fitness, you're not into neither one of those. They're probably going to pay, if they're into self-defense, they're probably going to pay more attention to the person that's there for self-defense. If they're into fitness, they're probably going to pay more attention to the person that's into fitness, right? But you got some I don't know about schools. I'm sure some schools are into more of the personal stuff. It all depends on the instructor. Let me give you an example, and I hope she don't get mad that I'm going to put her out there. But my program director name is Miss Carter. Miss Carter takes Krav Maga, and she enjoys the Krav Maga, she enjoys the fitness part, probably enjoys the Krav Maga part even more. But what she really likes is the people. She really likes the people. That's what she don't like about the COVID. Look, when she's setting up the bowling night, when she's setting up the get-togethers and stuff, that's what she really likes. Matter of fact, when she come in about 4:00, and she try to get all her work done really fast by before 6:00. This is before COVID, so she can go out in the hall and talk to everybody. So she enjoys that part. When she come to me and she's like, "Hey, can we do this and this?" and I like, "Nah, we ain't doing that." The social part, she be mad because she really wants to do the social part. So it really depends on what the people that run the school is into. If they're really into self-defense, then that's what they're gonna try to cater to the people who's coming for self-defense. If they're really into fitness, then they're gonna cater to the people that's really coming for fitness. If they're really into the camaraderie, I hope I'm saying the word right. if camaraderie means, involving yourself with different people. I don't know. I just know how to fight. But anyway, those are 3 reasons why people join, self-defense schools. And when you join a school, find a school that's kind of, into what you're into, So if you want fitness, look for a school that's kind of telling their program around fitness. Okay, if you're looking for self-defense, find a school that's kind of tailoring their program around self-defense. If you're looking for a school that that they do a lot of hanging out and pizza night or bowling night or movie night, find a school that does a lot of that. Okay? Or some schools even do all 3. But I don't care if they do all 3. They specialize more so in 1 or 2 of those 3. All right? Anyway, I just want to put a quick video out. Whatever school you're going to join it and do it and train it and be there to the best of your ability. All right? Peace. I'm out. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right? I'm going to put some more videos out. I got to get YouTube back on my side, all right? Peace. I'm out.